This is what we call our island planter. It's a handmade planter. It is my favorite planter for making unique plant displays. This is my second orchid arrangement I've ever done, so we'll see how it goes. I added this wire mesh to help hold the bamboo stakes, which holds the orchid flower spikes. In retrospect, I don't think this was very necessary. I also went to my landscape supplier, picked up some lava rock. They have huge pallets there full of lava rock. I just took a 5-gallon bucket in there, filled it up with some lava rock, put it on the scale, and paid my whatever it was, $7 for a bucket of lava rock. This is a medium-sized orchid bark that I'm adding. Orchid. Let's get an orchid in there. Some dull scissors here. You can do it. Come on. There we go. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Good. Oh, don't scratch the table, please. Here we go. Orchid number 2. Pair of scissors number 2. Careful with those scissors. gonna have to get these messed up roots off. Yeah, this one's got some knotted roots. I have to get those off. Oh, this is my favorite part. Sweep up time, sweep up time. Clean, clean, clean. Now that looks a little weird from that angle. Yeah, that one. You just have to keep moving around the rocks and fussing with them until you get them in a way that you like them. Let's zoom out a little bit, get the bigger picture. Vacations are a great way to escape that everyday routine. They give us a chance to break free from the familiar, and it allows us to immerse ourselves into something different. Well, my mom recently went on a Hawaiian vacation to go see that volcano that's erupting over there, Kilauea. So this got me thinking of making a welcome home gift for her. I wanted to make something that was a little slice of that Hawaiian vacation. Something that could possibly help return one to that vacation mode. So I have this Hawaiian theme and a vision of a volcano in my mind. I imagine this volcano erupting all these orchids, creating a visual reminder of the vacation. And the hope is, every time you look at it, it brings back some of that vacation feeling. So let's see how this goes. That's moss. long strand moss. It's moss time. Look how messy it's getting. I'm gonna have to get that broom out again. Sweep, sweep. I'm starting to feel it now. Little island, large volcanic mountains, large volcanic volcanoes, large volcanic rocks. What if volcanoes burst out red flowers instead of red lava? That could be interesting. A geyser of flowers. Oh, here goes the massage time. Gotta pack it down. Well, how do you think I did for my second orchid arrangement in our island planter?